In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to visualize KML files generated by the optimization process using Google Earth web option. And before we proceed further, I have to mention that Google Earth web option is currently supported only in Google Chrome web browser, and it's not supported in any other web browsers such as Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer or Safari. Please make sure that you use the bioenergy portal on a Google Chrome browser if you're working on Windows operating system, or Google Chrome browser or Chromium browser on Linux OS. So let me go ahead and click on the Google Earth web option. It's going to open the Google Earth application in a new tab, and it will take a couple of seconds to open it up. And before we visualize a KML files like on the Google Earth web option, we have to enable KML file importing option. To do that, you have to go to the menu and then scroll down to the settings. And if you scroll all the way down, you could find an option enable KML file import. For me, it's enabled by default, but whenever you open the Google Earth application, make sure that you have this option enabled. So I'm going to go ahead and save the settings. And then again, if you go down to the menu and then go to my places, and you would have an option enabled called import KML file. Either you can import the KML file from your local desktop or from Google Drive. So right now I'm going to download the KML file from the portal to my computer and then import it on Google Earth web application. To do that, I am going back to the bioenergy portal, workbench, and data depot. And then I'm going into the archives folder, and there I have my KML file already. Okay, this is the KML file that I got from the optimization scenario that I did earlier. I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to download it. It takes a while to transfer the KML file to download from the bioenergy portal to the web browser. Oh, sorry, to the local folder. And yeah, it did. I have the KML file on my desktop. So I'm going back to the Google Earth application and then import the KML file that I just downloaded. Once I did that, it's going to visualize the KML file on the Google Earth web application. Is the same as what we did on the Jetstream Google Earth application. The difference between the previous approach is that this one is pretty simple, and there are a couple of clicks we can configure Google Earth and start using it. But the downside of it is that we don't have any control over the data that we upload to Google Earth web application, and that's the only downside of it. The data is not secured, or we don't know whether the data would be erased once we are done with the visualization. But if you don't have a jet stream allocation, but you want to go ahead and visualize KML files, then this would be your option using Google Earth web option.